Hi guys, it's James from Advanced In-Car Tech. Today we are working in an Audi TTS, so a 2018 Audi TTS. So this particular vehicle, we've also done a couple of other bits, but we're here to show you the Ghost Immobiliser system that we've just fitted in this particular model. So we've already done a few videos of the Ghost, but not one of this particular TT Mark III. So I've just got in and I've got the keys, but I'm going to start the engine. So I'm going to press the start button, put my foot on the brake, start her up. Okay, so because I haven't entered the sequence of button pushers on this steering wheel or wherever it is that you can set it up to do, the engine has started and then stalled. Now immediately, if you can see the dashboard on the instrument cluster at the bottom, you've got the word safe. I can only just see it, so maybe the camera might not be able to. Also, because of the fact that the ignition didn't go through its normal process of starting, it's thrown up a fault. Well, that fault is only there just because of the fact that the engine should be running right now and the car's trying to figure out why. So what I do now is, obviously for demonstration purposes, I've set up a simple code. So we're going to press the enter the code, 1 2 3 4. You'll see the indicators flash. Okay, so that's accepted the code. I'm now going to cycle the ignition. Okay, so turn the ignition off, turn it back on, and now because we've entered the code, we can start the engine. Okay, so at this point we're going to go 1 2 3 4. It's accepted the code. As soon as you get the flash, we're going to turn off, turn it back on again. Now once the engine's running, obviously there's nothing you need to do. So from that perspective, your engine is running, it's accepted the code, and you can go about your travels. And also you've got this service mode for when you're dropping your car off at the airport and other such things, or the main dealer for bits and pieces. So for our demo purposes, we've just used this left arrow 4 times, so we can just turn that off again. Now the Volkswagen Audi platform take up to 30 seconds for it to reset. So as long as we've reset that code, which I will do, I'll just time out and show you that working again. So again, this is a 2018 Audi TTS. I haven't entered the code, I've got the key on me, so we're going to start the engine. Okay. So we haven't waited long enough, so that's fine, no problem at all. What we do is we just turn it off. Now normally this process you wouldn't be stopping the engine and then starting it back up again. It is meant to be 30 seconds. Some model platforms can be instantaneous, but this one is taking a little bit longer. There's quite a lot going on in this particular model. So what we do is just wait a little bit longer. Now, depending on the model platform and what you're fitting this Ghost to, they all have different features and functions. Some of them have buttons down on the main center console, some of them have buttons in the door. We always prefer to use the steering wheel buttons. Right, I reckon we're ready to go, we're all timed out. Okay, so I'm going to start my engine, or start my ignition, enter my code, wait for the signal, and start your engine. And you see there's no fault codes on the dash whatsoever. You've got your mileage, which has been replaced, well, it used to say safe and now it's got your mileage up on the screen. So we're now ready to go. So this is the Audi TTS 2018 with the Ghost Immobiliser system. If you want to know, get in touch if we can fit something like this to your model of vehicle, whatever platform, then please do. Or if you've got an Audi TT or any of the Volkswagen Audi group range, then give us a call. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching.